I'm going to run your test today on a GSL 300-400. There's two different types of parts. You send kind of these screws, which will run real easy. When you have a sprue like this, in order to avoid longs, we use a conical screen on it, which is kind of a double screen, which prevents longs from shooting through. So this is a regular test lab unit with a 6mm screen. But I think if you're going to use these, we probably should go with a conical screen when we do that. And then these parts will be no problem going through the system. It'll be fairly simple to process all this material. Again, this unit's a GSL 300-400, and it'll do about 250 pounds an hour of the material you have here. Very simple machine to work. It's just a blower and then the granulator. You can get the unit without the blower if you don't want it. But most folks get it with a blower system, which is just very compact, and just put a Gaylord right next to it. So I'm going to turn off the video, start the machine, and then start processing your material. To turn on this machine, it's very simple. Just the blower, and then the granulator. I'm going to take this whole box and just throw it in at once. The machine has no problem. The unit has no problem processing a box at a time. What I'm doing is start throwing some of these in. Just dropping this down. No stress on this machine at all with all the materials we put in. A little some more, so I see the material starts coming out. Here it is coming out. See, I have these longs here. When you use a conical screen, these longs will disappear out of your material. I'm going to add more material in. Just slowly shoot through it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the video now, let it process through, and then show you the results. Here's your test results. What was interesting is after about a couple minutes of running, or like a minute of running, all the longs basically left, and you're just getting regular material coming out. So it kind of took care of itself on the long side. But the material is quite nice. We filled the bin fairly full, and you have really no heat from it. The machine had no problem with it, and this machine would easily do 250 pounds of your material an hour. It's a very simple machine to maintain because it's slow speed, and with the integrated blower system, it takes up a very small footprint.